What's up friends? Welcome back to my channel. Xiaomi has introduced new Xiaomi Smart Door Lock 2 Finger for a futuristic security solution with finger beam recognition. This isn't the only unlocking method though. You can also use NFC, passwords, Bluetooth or even a physical key for added convenience. Security remains in priority with a quiet locking mechanism, alarm system, and remote lock status monitoring via the Xiaomi app. This tech promises even greater security than fingerprint scanners, with an error rate routed to be 10 minutes lower. The Xiaomi Smart Door Lock 2-finger Win Vision boasts a 0.0001% error rate compared to 0.001% for fingerprints. It works in under a second and claims to improve with use, making it suitable for all ages. The lock integrates seamlessly with the Xiaomi Smart Home ecosystem through HyperOS. Plus, the battery is said to last a full year on a single charge. Now take a look at price. The Xiaomi Smart Door Lock 2-finger Win Vision is currently available at a discounted price of $180 United States dollars. This is your home solutions and you can use everywhere where you want to secure your office, hotel, etc. That's all for now. Friends, subscribe my channel. Thanks.